Hello friends, I am mahtab. Today I will tell you how to get free domain and hosting from Pantheon for practice WordPress CMS. At first, open your web browser, type Pantheon in Google and search it. Then you will find this website first. Simply click on it. However, then you will see this web interface. Don't worry, just click on Get Started. Then you will see the sign up form. There you will sign up with your information. You can also sign up with LinkedIn or Google if you want. I would suggest signing up with Google. Now, wait a few moments. Then, select your Gmail account and wait a second. After that, you enter your first name and last name. After that, select your country. My country is Bangladesh, so I have selected Bangladesh. Then fill the checkbox. After that, tick the I agree to Pantheon's terms of service checkbox. Then click Continue button and wait a second. Since I signed up with Google, that's why I don't need to verify the Pantheon account. If you are asked to verify your account, then you will get an email from Pantheon to verify. In email, you will get Verify button. Simply click on it, that's easy. In Pantheon dashboard left side, you will get Menu. Then click on Sites button. After that, click the Create New Site button. Here you will find 3 CMS. They are WordPress, Drupal with Composer, Drupal 7. I will install WordPress, so I selected WordPress. However, now give your site domain name. The domain structure is dev.yourname.pantheonsite.io. After that, select your site region, then click Continue button. Now wait a few minutes. When WordPress installing progress is complete, then click the Visit Your Pantheon Site Dashboard button. After that, you will see this interface. Don't worry, simply click Site Admin button. Then configure your WordPress website.